Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English class. Today we are going to learn one simple trick to encourage you to speak in English. It is suitable for all learners who wants to speak in English. Highly recommended for learning English with CEFR. Let's investigate further the trick. Let's go direct to the trick. It is called speaking using daily context and translating what you speak in Malay, Chinese or Tamil, the sentences into English. It can be any type of sentence. Use a translator or Google Translate to translate it in English for you. As simple as that. I repeat again that we are not focusing on grammar. This trick is useful to encourage learners who want to speak in English. So let's see how to use this trick. It has 4 steps. Step 1, prepare a notebook. Step 2, translate and write in the notebook. Step 3, keep repeating or memorizing. And step 4, start your day with English. Step 1, just get a notebook and then label the notebook as My Speaking Diary. Divide each page in the notebook into 2 sides. On the left hand, write Malay, Chinese, Tamil language sentences. And on the right side, write English language sentences. Step 2, starting from morning until night, you must write down all the sentences you speak in Malay, Chinese or Tamil on the left side of your notebook and the English translation of the sentences that you spoke on the right side of your notebook. As you can see on the blackboard, this is step 3. So make it a habit whenever you're going to bed. Before you go to bed, read the sentences that you have written in English. Read, try to repeat, memorize, try to communicate with your parents, friends, or even with yourself, the sentences. Here you go. This is the step 4 and the final step. Start your day with English. So next day morning, start your day with English. Don't speak Malay, Chinese, Tamil, but use the English sentences that you have translated in your notebook to start your day, to start communicating with others. Practice makes perfect. Practice this trick every day in your own various different contexts and you will be able to speak confidently as you can speak in complete sentences, form questions, express what you are thinking with the suitable words, and you can get ideas to speak. As you can see on this blackboard, these are how educators can use this trick to teach speaking in the classroom. This is the method, got 4 steps. That is all for today's lesson. So let's start thinking in English and using this trick to help us to speak. Thank you.